Hey everybody, Kelly here. It's been a little while since I've been on here. Been quite busy doing some lead generation, setting up some Google AdWords, just doing a whole bunch of stuff. But I wanted to come and share with you today or this week, well, it's Friday, so it's the end of the week tip, sniper tip of the week. For those of you that are wanting to have more leads to work with, it doesn't do you any good to have, dozens, if not hundreds of leads if you're not communicating with them, if you're not vetting them. Now, today we're going to talk primarily about buyer leads. And I want to share with you a couple things that I'm using that's absolutely working, and you're welcome to check it out on your own. One of the things I want to share with you is this company right here. This is Fairways, and I'm going to show you. Let's see if you can see that. See that app right there. Okay? This is a Fairway Mortgage app, and I know that they're in all 50 states. So if you happen to reach out or Google that company, see if you can find one of their lender partners that you can start a relationship, start a conversation. They will give you a branded app, and they'll put your name on it. They'll put the lender down below, and then it has all of these different, and I'll leave it there for you to be able to see, all of these different clickable links. And let me just share with you what they are. One is called Share This App. Now, let me stop right there. You literally can click that link, put the name of your buyer in there, put their phone number, their cell number, and their email address, and then send them the app through email or cell phone. And when they click it and register, whatever they look at, you're going to be looking at. Now, I know that apps aren't new to us, but I found this one to be really good. The other thing is, guys, if you're on social media and you're doing any kind of paid advertising or you're in group sharing, imagine pitching something like this, and you can do that with this app. I'm doing it right now. Hey, Mr. and Mrs. Buyer, if you are interested in thinking about starting the home buying process, either now or in the next 6 to 12 months, I've got some exciting news. How would you like to go ahead and start the approval process? Go ahead and get a pre-qualification as early as today, and you don't have to talk to an agent. Guys, I want you to feel comfortable, and I want you to feel no pressure. So I've got an app. I'm going to put it below this video, and you can click that app. You can go ahead and start the process, and it will let you know if you're pre-qualified. And again, Mr. and Mrs. Buyer, you don't have to talk to an agent. Isn't that awesome? All right, look forward to talking to you. Guys, that's the pitch. And if they come back and say, yeah, I'm interested, you send them a link. All you need is their name, email, and a phone, or even just an email or just a phone, and you send it to them. So guys, check this out. NAR has told us that potential buyers, there's two things that are stopping them from moving forward. One is they think they need 20% down. The other one is they're afraid to talk to a loan officer because there's a fear of rejection. They think they need a 680 to 750 credit score. Well, we all know that's just not the case. So again, it's important who you partner with on the loan side. I definitely suggest you Googling the company that I shared with at the beginning. If you don't remember, I'll tell you at the end. Find you one of those guys that will send you this branded app. They'll put your website. Oh, matter of fact, I showed you on the app. So you've got to share the app. I've got my Facebook page on here, my EXP website. There's a home search tab on there, information on the loan process. So there's just so many things on there that you can share with your client. Now, here's why I've shared that just now, the beginning, is, I strive to try to go out and find free lead generation, utilizing direct mail, utilizing Facebook groups, things like that. We've shared that in this page, and you can go and look at the different videos that I've created. But there are some times when you need to go out and possibly do some paid generation. So I want to share with you a site that I'm using. Guys, go ahead and Google this site right here. See that? Google that in your local area. The price varies state to state. You can figure you're going to spend between $100 and $200 a month for your local county. But check this out. It's month to month. And I want you to see. This is a sample of seller leads that you would get. And there they are right there. You can do buyer leads only. And these are people that, because this company goes out and does a lot of advertising online, people that come in and say, yeah, I'm looking to buy a home. What's really cool, and I'm going to do, when you hit view details, it gives you their name, their email, and their phone number. Now, why do I mention that? Whenever you go to your app And what I typically do when I get a buyer, I'll actually send it to my lender right away. The lender will call that buyer. Because here's the deal. As an agent, and I do things a little differently, but as an agent, when you call a prospective buyer, you can't do anything till you get their qualification. So if you've got a great relationship with a lender and he calls and vets them for you, he basically ponies up the ball for bat, and he gets them qualified. And then basically you're at the bat ready to hit that thing out of the ballpark. So I actually send him leads. Just last night, he called one of mine, and they're already qualified for 450 to 550 in the local area. And why was that? Because of the relationship I have. So guys, these are some tips for you. If you want, again, you can Google Fairway Mortgage and find a local mortgage agent, a loan agent that you can start a relationship with. If you private message me, I'll send you my agent's information, and you're welcome to call him and see if he can recommend somebody in your area. Go ahead and get them to brand the app, and then start, whether you're using Facebook lead generation or you're utilizing Facebook groups, start sharing things like that pre-approval app where they don't have to talk to anybody. Or if you want to try out for, say, a month or two, go ahead and go here and utilize their leads. Hey, listen, it can't hurt. You get 25 to 30 of these buyer leads a month. Just send them to your loan guy. What if you can get one of them to get approved? Guys, it's well worth it. Man, I hope this has been something that made sense to you. Again, these are just some tips that you can use. They're working for me. In the next week or two, I'm going to share with you. I cranked back up. I utilize a lot of Facebook ads, but I cranked back up my Google ads, my pay-per-click ads. So I'm going to share with you kind of those results and how to set up a Google. How would you like to know how to set up a Google ad and set one up specifically for buyer lead generation? We're going to do that next week. I'll share with you a little bit about what I'm doing. All right, guys, as always, please tell me what you thought about the video. Tell me if this made sense, or again, if this just absolutely was a hot mess, let me know, because sometimes I think faster than I can talk. That's a problem. But anyway, also, don't forget to share all of your information. Make sure you're putting on tips. What's working for you guys? Share it with us, man. I'm sharing the love. You share your stuff. Let us know what's working for you guys. All right? All right, man. I hope that you guys have a great day. And again, give me some feedback. Peace.